definitely clean tomorrow because I had to take everyone to Panda Mart. Anyone been there? Took the fam over there 4 hours later. My God. Yeah, we're back checking out the birds. And I can't believe that, yes, this pigeon is a red. Red on the top of the head, on the crest, a little bit on the neck and the back, and just like a couple feathers on the tail. Very different. This one's coming up very nice though as well. Very nice light blue colour, huge beard, nice look. Just checking out these two. That one's a bit smaller, but he's getting fed, which is great. And I don't know, I think they're going to be blue, I guess. Guessing. Pretty much. Nice. From the silver OG male. Finally, first young ones from him. And then we've got two here. So we've got a saddleback coming up, and probably wouldn't be surprised if it's a check like the mother. So that's the mother of these two. And the father is that one there. The father is a Veso Tomic. The mother of him is a saddleback hen. Where's his old lady? Is that the one? I believe so. Yep, that's the one. So that's his mother, and his father is that one there. Veso. And the mother, sorry, Tomic. That's the Tomic over there. The father and the mother is a Veso saddle. And her mother is this hen right here. And the father of her is that dude right there. So they both got saddle in their line from both sides. Hence, they created a saddle. That is pretty nice. Can't get away from the saddles, eh? And then these two growing, we've got one there, and then from the OG, big blue red bars. Now that to me looks like a saddle-ish as well. So there we go. Definitely not this one. You can tell by the beak. Take his feather out. You can tell by the beak, and he's got coloration everywhere. But this one's got coloration on the tail, and we can't tell anywhere else yet. So it's definitely going to be a saddle. Definitely a saddleback from the OG. What is going on? Crazy times. Alright, and we've got one here. I've got to breed about 4 or 5 reds slowly, and just to have the line going. That is what it's about. Got the one that usually makes blues has made a saddle-ish as well. That's amazing. And this one's come up very well. The colour on that is amazing. That light blue colour. Look at that colour. That is amazing. It's gonna have huge beard. It's got a bit of white around the head on that side. Oh yeah, yeah. But the coloration, like even on this one, come up really nice. Beautiful. Nice blues. Yeah. Crystal brown. And side hustle, here we go. From another loft, I put the young one here. Half Serbian, half Tippler. No crest, unfortunately. So I'm thinking in putting the blue Tippler, the blue Tippler with the Serbian hen. So I'll change his mate. Obviously we're going to keep them separately, but for a bit of a kick, a bit of a laugh, see what they do. These are tipplers, but I want to put him as a Serbian high flyer. See what happens. He's a great flyer in the past. Yeah. And because I'm doing that, it doesn't mean I'm crossing everything. Like easy as crossing his birds. I don't even have to mention it. Just yeah, that's just me. So once that grows, we'll put him for flying. He's got a brother which is getting fed in the other side. The reason why I moved this one here when he was young, because he was too small and the other one was too big. It was getting fed very well. This one would have died. It would have died. So my first instinct is bang, chuck it in here. Fortunately, pigeons were feeding it. Great. It all worked out. Yeah, I don't want these to make any more. That's their last ones. I didn't check these guys. These guys are from the Vesto boy and the Vesto boy. I'm getting confused today. Too much driving. Too much driving. So the Tomich boy and the old Vesto hen. This with my yellow rings. It's like from ages ago. Look at that. Two saddles. That's pretty rare from them, I must say. Beautiful. How are you going to fly these? Look at them. Look, head's fully white. Nothing, all clear. Same as this one. That is amazing. These will be definitely put on the breeding program. Look at that. This is what it's about, eh? Being happy with what your birds are doing, and not being afraid to show everyone when you get the ones that don't come up right and the ones that do come up right. These are your darker ones. I'm gonna change that OG boy over here. to something, to another hen. I don't know, or should I fly these? And these other young ones which I'm putting to fly and see how they fly. If they fly amazing, I'll keep them together. Because that's what it's about, right? Okay. And then we've got two here from her. And that young saddle. So let's see what happens there. I definitely want to test them out. Definitely want to fly them, regardless of how good they come up or not. Just because we want to make sure that if we keep them on the next breeding program when they make other ones, or the ones that I will put for flying, if they're good enough and I'm happy with them. These two are going to be on the breeding program. Those two, that white redhead. What do you call that? White redhead. Not flying that. But yeah, these are definitely on the breeding program. Look at those two. And then those two as well. Those two young ones as well. Crazy. And then we'll see what this hen makes. Well, we'll see what that young one, they've got one only. We'll see how that's going to come up. Because I had two which are in the flying cage now, the young ones. One came white with a bit of black on the neck, and a little bit of black on the start of the tail. The tail's white. And then one came like a weird, I don't know if it's coffee colour with a bit of brown bars. Let's see what they do next. That's what it's about. Excitement, see what the birds do, have birds for flying in the future, being patient and having birds flying in the future. That's the moral of that story. Yeah, I've got no idea what I'll be putting these with in the future. Let them grow and all that, and see what they do. Something. If they are male and female, do I put them together? What do you think? Or do I put it with a saddle, or do I put it with something of their own line and see what happens? Or do I put it with a straight blue? What's the coloration? What am I going to get? Do I put it with a white beard? I don't know. Honestly, don't know. Yeah, see. So yeah, then all the breeding is going to stop, which will mean less money on food. That's good enough for now. Yeah, the red one's only made one this time. The egg hasn't hatched, so it's alright. I'll leave the egg there. Keeps the baby warm. Hopefully they make a saddle hen, because I definitely want a nice girl for that red old saddle boy. Nothing wrong with what he's with now, but we definitely want him to be with similar colour, similar line.